If you're looking to monitor indexing issues automatically, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it without spending hours checking manually. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate this process, saving you time and energy. So the first thing you need is a reliable tool. While there are many out there, I've tested several of the most popular options. But today, I'll share the one that stands out for ease of use and powerful features. You don't need to worry about complex setups or confusing dashboards. Just straightforward functionality to monitor your website's indexing status. Here's what you need to do to start monitoring indexing issues automatically. First, head to the platform you're going to use. I highly recommend one tool in particular. I've partnered with them to offer you an exclusive free trial, which you can find in the description below. Now, let's get into the process. Once you've signed up, link your website to the tool. It'll usually require you to verify ownership, but that's a simple process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you've verified your website, the tool will automatically crawl it and start checking for indexing issues. Most tools will allow you to set up automated alerts. This is where it gets interesting. Rather than constantly checking if pages are indexed, you'll get notifications the moment there's an issue. If any of your pages aren't indexed, the tool will let you know so you can act fast. Next, make sure you set up the tool to monitor the most important pages of your site. For instance, your homepage, key product pages, or landing pages. These are the pages you really want to keep an eye on. You can often customize which pages to prioritize, so be strategic about it. Now let's talk about reports. These tools often generate detailed reports of what's been indexed and what hasn't. You can get a daily, weekly, or monthly summary depending on your preferences. What's great about this is that you won't have to sift through endless pages or data to find what's wrong. Everything will be clearly presented. Some tools even provide integration with Google Search Console. If you're already using Google's tool, you can sync it with your indexing monitor, so you get an even more comprehensive view of what's happening on your site. It's like having a dashboard that tells you everything about your site's health. Another neat feature is historical data. Most platforms will store historical data on indexing issues. This is really useful for spotting trends. If you notice that certain pages keep getting de-indexed or indexed improperly, you can track that and dive into the issue more deeply to fix it. Now, for the important takeaway. Automating the monitoring of your indexing issues is key to ensuring your site stays healthy without spending all your time checking it manually. By setting up alerts and using these tools, you can stay on top of indexing issues and fix them right away. To recap, here's what you need to do. Pick a reliable tool, link your site, set up automated alerts, monitor the right pages, and review your reports regularly. And remember, I've got an exclusive free trial in the description below for you to try out the tool I recommend. Take advantage of that free trial so you can start monitoring your indexing issues automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.